In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an SEO cluster strategy with AI and how this can boost your rankings quickly and efficiently. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a special way for you to follow along with the software we'll be using, and you'll get an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel. Let's jump right into it. An SEO cluster strategy is all about grouping related content together, creating a web of pages that link to one another. This helps search engines understand the connection between different topics and boosts your site's authority on the subject. The best part? With AI, you can streamline this process, making it faster and more efficient. First, choose your main pillar topic. This is your broadest keyword, the foundation of your SEO cluster. For example, if you're in the digital marketing space, your pillar might be something like SEO strategy. From here, we'll start building our clusters. Next, use AI to find related subtopics that support the pillar. AI tools can analyze search intent and identify questions people are asking, or smaller, long-tail keywords that relate to your pillar topic. These are your cluster topics. For example, under SEO strategy, your clusters might be SEO keyword research or on-page SEO techniques. Once you've identified these clusters, create individual pieces of content around them. These are your cluster pages. Each cluster should link back to the pillar page, and the pillar page should link to each cluster page. This interlinking is key to building a strong SEO cluster. Now let's talk about how to optimize the content. Use AI to help with keyword research, content generation, and optimization. Our software will help you easily generate topic ideas, create content outlines, and even optimize your existing content for search engines. You can streamline the content creation process, saving time while ensuring your posts rank higher. Once your content is created, it's time to focus on internal linking. AI can suggest where to place links between your pillar and cluster pages. This boosts your site's relevance and authority on your chosen topics and helps search engines understand the relationships between your pages. Also, don't forget about tracking your progress. With AI, you can monitor how your cluster strategy is performing. It can help you identify which pages are bringing in traffic and which ones need optimization. This ongoing process is crucial to maintaining your SEO efforts. And remember, the software we'll be using is easy to integrate into your workflow. If you want to follow along, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: to build a successful SEO cluster strategy with AI, focus on finding your pillar topic, using AI to identify subtopics, creating high-quality content, optimizing it for search engines, and implementing strategic internal linking. Keep track of your progress and use AI to continually improve your strategy. Quick recap: choose your pillar topic, create clusters of related content, optimize everything using AI, and keep tracking your results. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.